Hello, my name is Shirley Sullivan. I would like to speak to you today about Alligga and its new way of producing flax oil. Recently, we have heard a lot about omega-3 and omega-6. What are they and why are they important? To understand, let us look at the cells in the human body. Every cell has a protein center and a membrane surrounding the cell that is made up of fatty acids. Two of these acids are omega-3 and omega-6. If we look more closely at the cell, we see something quite remarkable. Each cell forms an electromagnetic field. The protein center is positively charged. The membrane, made up of fatty acids, is rich in electrons that are negatively charged. These electrons form, as it were, a cloud over the cell. They never touch the positively charged center, but they, with it, form this electromagnetic field. Why is this field important? This field allows the cell to absorb oxygen and nutrients. It also allows the cell to absorb energy. How does it do this? The electrons in the membrane of fatty acids act as antennae that absorb solar energy. They absorb the energy and allow the cell to store that energy. It is because of this electromagnetic field that we can move and we can dance. How does flax oil and omega-3 and 6 relate? In the late 20th century, much research was done on the nature of fats. It was during this time that dangerous fats were identified, and so we have heard for the first time of the term trans fat. It was during this time also that research showed flax oil, with its strong concentration of electrons, was in fact the best oil that human beings could eat. We human beings need 2 tablespoons of oil a day. And if we do not get it, our bodies will crave more and more food in an attempt to receive it. Ironically, by eating 2 tablespoons of oil a day, we can actually remain slim. Flax oil is the best source of omega-3 and omega-6 that will keep our cells healthy. Before, flax oil could be used on salads, but could not be used for cooking because cooking destroyed the omega-3 and omega-6. Alligga has come out with a new method of production that allows flax oil to be used in cooking without the omega-3 and the omega-6 being harmed. Flax oil can keep us healthy because it provides abundant omega-3 and omega-6 that allows the cells to absorb oxygen, nutrition, and energy. So, my suggestion is this: max with Alligga Flax in order to have healthy cells.